Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while, but I finally got a quarter in for this 2014 Expedition. I went ahead and separated it from the inner structure. There's about 100 welds to undo all around. Not to mention glue that holds it really well. There it is there. So this skin is going to go on the 14 Expedition. I may need some of the inner structure here. I don't know yet. I'm going to take that one off. We'll do that now. I also got a new tire for it. So we'll go and put that on the Expedition and get it in the garage. So we're bringing in the Ford. Runs and drives good now. New wheel on, new suspension, running boards. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this quarter up, probably inside. I gotta take this glass out, inner trim. All these moldings gotta come off. All these spot welds have to come out to about here. I'm gonna cut it off here. And then there's some hidden damage in there that I never knew about, which sucks, but I'll try pulling it. And I got some of it on that one. So there you go. So we'll bring it in. And also the door took a whack. So I got a donor door here. We'll get it right in. There's some more cars working on. Perfect, we'll get it right in and we'll start pulling and cutting. Okay guys, we got the fucking glass out. It took like an hour. There's a whole pile of screws in there, but they're in behind. You gotta take down the headliner, you gotta take off the trim. Also, this glue that's on here, it's impossible to get off. So I got it off, it's over here. You gotta make sure you get it off with this trim and not break this trim or you're gonna have water leaks. This one is motorized as well, so you have to undo it over there. From the electric motor right here. Just the Torx. So now what we'll do is clean up all this goop so I can start drilling out the welds all the way here, here. Not sure how far up the rocker will go. And then around here. And around here. And that's good. Fuck. And then in here. All up there. So we'll start that and we'll get back. Okay, so now we have to drill out these rivets to get this, aluminum cap off. So we just done. There's 3 more in here. I've done one already. Start here. And the last one. And that's it. This aluminum cap should pop off. There you go. So even if I tried to fix this quarter panel, look how kinked it is. I would have had to have got in here anyways. It's even kinked right there. Yeah, you see it's kinked. Okay, so I also had to undo the gas filler. They were 5.5 screws. Took these off. That should... So now what I gotta do is I gotta start drilling out the welds. Here. I'm gonna stop there. There, all down here. And then in here. Right there, that's a hard one. Inside here there's glue. You gotta heat it with a heat gun to get it off. So let's do that. I'll start cutting. GoPro, start recording. You gotta heat up this panel to release the glue up in there. Then the panel will come off. Okay, so we got most of the quarter panel cut off. Most meaning just got a bit in here to do. My drill's overheating, so I gotta let it cool down for a bit. So I noticed that this is wrinkled, which we're gonna try and fix. And this is back this way, like 2 inches. You can see the huge buckle right there. So this is really strong metal, so we're gonna try and pull it out. This is not actually metal, this is like plastic. But you can see how much it's back, and then this is kinked here. So we're gonna try pulling on here with this. And the puller is chained up, ready to go. I just have to hook it up, and then we'll see if I can move it. Came out pretty good. I'll have to release it and give it another tug. Okay, may have to chain this thing down. Okay, so I've got a chain down on the front, kind of. Give it a pull. That's better. I have this part from the other, the donor. Probably just gonna cut it off and put it on. I don't think it'll be too hard to get off. This one here, I've already cut a piece off, but it's on there, so I can just take it off and weld it in. Cool. Okay, guys, so I got the quarter panel loosely fitted on with some self tappers. Got to work on this joint a little more. Got to trim just a bit off. Glass is fitting good. Good gaps all the way around. And then I'm going to fit this a little better. I'm going to install this, weld that together, and then pull this later. Fix it later. The other part that was over here, it was rotten. It was no good. And then reinstall this. Goes on here. All the trim. Got to work on this. Get that down and welded. I don't like the gap here, but I have some movement to bring it in. I've got a 1/4 inch here, and I got just a bit more than a 1/4 inch here. I'm pretty sure I can fix that. But that's that for today. Next video, start welding it all in place and fitting the bumper and taking care of all this flaking of paint as well while we're there. Perfect. And then see you on the next one. If you like it, subscribe. Leave your comments below. We just bought a Jaguar F-Pace 2019 with 9,000 kilometers. I'll be getting that here next week. So that'll be another build. It's going to be an expensive build, but should be fun. See you then.